The Carrick Loop, a stable and versatile upgrade to the bowline. Looking for a knot that's more stable than the traditional bowline? Meet the Carrick Loop. Here's how to tie the Carrick Loop. First, start by forming a loop. Rotate your hand clockwise to make it. Then pass the working end up through the loop. Then wrap it back around the standing part. Bring it over the top section of the loop and back up through the initial loop. As you tighten, you'll notice the knot takes on a Carrick Bend-like shape at the top. Once secure, the Carrick Loop is ready for action. Whether you're using it for heavy-duty tasks or simply exploring your knot tying skills, give it a try and experience its reliability firsthand. Perfect for applications involving repeated loading and unloading, it's designed to stay secure where the bowline might fail. Plus, it's easy to untie after being loaded and only slightly more intricate to tie.